Here I have OPPO Reno 7, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this icon here, tap open camera, allow, and now let's scan, for example, this QR code. And as you can see, as soon as your camera spots it, you have an option to open the page which is being encoded to this QR code, and here you can see what's being here, and that's how you can scan QR codes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.